Morning, Ate Peach. Kahiga pa rin siya.
Morning.
Yeah, I know you love the bed because of the comforters. Yeah, we're going to the swimming pool, no?
So fun. It's my first time doing it.
Ay, rush na siya. No? It's like, see you later.
See you later.
Yay! Solid yung pool. Woo! Testing the waters. Are you excited? So we are on the 11th floor of this building. Liam, hello Liam, hello Peach. Ang cute ng pool, clear sa ilalim. Hello! Hi! You know, I can see your legs over here. Your legs, guys. Ang ganda. So nice. Yes! Kita legs nyo.
Okay, hello! Anong gawa mo, Liam? Mami, lubog ka na. Face your fear. Bye-bye!
Hello, Liam. Why do you want to see the fishes? Kasi, they look so, relaxing and calming, right? Yun sila, oh. Dami-dami. It isn't. It's like, up to here mo lang.
Hello.
What do you love about those fishes, Ate Peach? They're so big. You wanna eat them?
Oh.
Why? You want to keep them as a pet?
Yes.
What?
There's water.
Yes.
What line? The vines are tiny.
Yeah. Had ka papunta sa loob, ah. Okay, go. What? I can't hear you. Welcome. Welcome. Hello, Ate Peach. Let's go inside. You're gonna show me inside?
Parang susugod ka pa.
Nagalit ang tagal niya. Ang sungit. Oh, nice. Ayan, dyan tayo kumain sa restaurant, right, Liam? And then we went over there sa 7-Eleven. Okay?
Sige, Jimmy.
Hello, Liam. Ayan.
Solar eclipse.
Tapos na.
Tsaka on the other side of the world.
See, I'll go back inside. Hi guys, this is the day 2 of our stay. And we had our routine.
Ooh, looks so nice again, right? Hello. Yeah, brand new. Very fresh. Fresh and nicely na naman. Saka mabango, no? Okay. What are we gonna do? Chill and Netflix? Yeah. Ice cream. Yeah. Okay. Sige na, you can go there. Bye!
Bye.
Okay.
So we have ice cream here.
Kain tayo. Ice cream there and everywhere. And then, Ate Peach has a separate ice cream for herself.
Yeah.
Kasi mahilig siya sa cookies and
Cream.
yeah. Second day, nalinis ng room. Super clean, super bango.
We had to wait for
Yeah, we had to wait for like
30 minutes.
what's that? Second night. Hello, Ate Peach. You're enjoying the comforter. Yeah. Hello, Liam. Liam. Trying to order in McDonald's. Yeah. Good morning. Third day. Last day. Breakfast. Working. Uwi na kami. Uwi na kami. Bye-bye. Liam, uwi na tayo. See you at home. Uwi na kami. Bye. Tapos na ang 3 days, 2 nights.
Our vacation is done.
Yeah.